These projections show exponential growth by Q3.
We are thrilled to have you on board. This changes everything.
For decades, the path to billionaire status was long, slow, and built on traditional industries. The old billionaire generation made its fortunes through manufacturing, through oil empires, and through real estate kingdoms that took years, sometimes decades, to grow. These industries created enormous wealth. But they demanded time, heavy capital, physical infrastructure, and patience. In the old world, becoming a billionaire was often the result of inheritance, corporate expansion, or lifelong control over massive industrial systems. But in 2026, the rules have changed. Today's new billionaires are being built in a completely different environment. A digital economy where speed matters more than size. And innovation can outperform tradition. Now wealth is being created through artificial intelligence, through fast-scaling tech startups, through the influence of social media platforms, and through bold fintech innovations that are transforming how the world moves money. A factory once needed land, labor, machines, and years of expansion. Now, a brilliant idea, a laptop, a small team, and internet access can build a billion-dollar company faster than ever before. That is the real shift. The billionaire landscape is no longer defined only by oil fields, skyscrapers, and production plants. It is now shaped by algorithms, apps, digital audiences, and platforms that can scale across the globe in a matter of months. And that means one thing above all. Right finger, the speed of wealth creation has multiplied. What once took 30 years can now happen in 3. And that is exactly why a new generation of under 30 billionaires is rising. Faster, younger, and more digitally empowered than any generation before them.
The new model deployed yesterday shows a 20% increase in accuracy.
We should push that update to the main branch by EOD.
As you can see, the new model processes the data in real time. This changes everything for the Q3 rollout.
If we optimize the neural pathways here, the processing time improves significantly.
That solves the latency issue we discussed.
You